Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Owen Morrill. Today we're going to be working on Drupal 8, learning the menu system. So first what we're going to do is go up here to structure. This is the admin toolbar or the nav bar in Drupal 8. You'll notice we don't have the overlay like we had in Drupal 7, but we go to menus, click on that, and right here we have looks like 6 menus. What we're looking for is this main navigation one right here. So when we go here and we go to, let's look at what other options we have. We can add a link directly into the menu. We can edit the menu itself. And apparently we have Devel on, which is another video entirely. All right, so as you can see here, we have our title. We have our administrative summary or description. Either way works, I guess. One's a little bit more long-winded. All right, we're going to go to add link, and we're going to add a brand new link. All right, so menu link title, we are going to call it YouTube channels. Whoop. And that's just going to go to YouTube. We are going to leave it as enabled. If we click this, we will still create a menu link, but it won't be visible on the menu. So it'll just be kind of in holding. But we want it to show up, so we're going to have it there. We're going to skip over the description. If you add one when they hover over the menu, it'll show up as more info about the menu item. If you click show as expanded, if it has children, so if that menu item has menu items underneath it, then it will show them depending on how you have your theme set up. So we have the parent link next, and as you can see, remember how we had 6 menus before? Here's main navigation, user count, administration, and footer and tools. So it looks like we have, oh, there's development. So it looks like we have those 6. We're going to leave it in main navigation. With weight, lower weight or negative weight, lighter, it floats or goes to the left, and more weight, so like a positive number 50 or whatever it is, that's going to be sinking or going to the right. So putting it at 50 should put it off to the right of the other menu item that we have, home. So we'll click save, and wow, we got kicked all the way back to here. All right, so we go to edit menu, and there's our YouTube channels piece. And if we go to the front end of the site, you can see we have our YouTube channels right here, and it should take us to, oh, no, I broke it. That's okay. All right, so let's go see what I did with that break. Because I used a protocol relative link, but I also put an item at the end, or here we go. Looks like you can't delete that one, so that's in code. Oh, look at that. So because I typed in //youtube.com just like that, it took that and added front to it for some reason. Now, if you're unfamiliar, if you put that front tag in there, that is always going to link it back to the front page. So that's what home has. We could do node add, which it also explains right here. Oh, looks like we need to have a / at the beginning, and that'll actually take you to the content add page, where you would go to add more content to the site. So if we head back to the front and we click on our YouTube channels, it's not going to take us to YouTube. It's going to take us to article and basic page. If we click on one of those and we quickly fill in the required field, which should just be title, and we hit save, and wait just a little while. There we go. So that's how you add a page. And if you want this page to go into the menu itself, edit it. And once it pulls up off to the right here, we have our menu settings. We can say, yeah, we want to provide a menu link. We'll change that to test. We'll do the weight just a little bit. There we go. And it's in that main navigation. Hit save. Going to take us back to the front end of the site where we can see that we have 3 menu items in our main navigation, and it should be home, YouTube channels, and this new one, test. Well, if the weight worked, test will be in between the two. And there we have it. And that, in a very quick, short video, is how to use the menu system in Drupal 8. Feel free to share us around, let other people who work with Drupal day to day know that we exist. Leave us a comment, let us know if you need reference videos made or anything that we could help you throughout the day-to-day stuff working with Drupal 7 or 8 or Backdrop. Let us know. We'll make a video for you. Thank you. Have a good day.